Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As promised, today is a little cooking video. This is going to be the most simple thing. It's kind of just a hack. I made potato pancakes the other day and a lot of you were asking me how I did it. It's super simple, so I figured today I would show you how. So this is the only thing you're going to need predominantly is a packet of the mashed potatoes from Optavia. They do have garlic ones, but I prefer the sour cream and chive. So I'm going to be mixing this in the bowl, and I don't follow the directions because I find adding half a cup of water to this and then putting it inside my little dash makes it too creamy. So I only use 1/4 of a cup to make them thicker. So what I do is I have a little dash, but I just sprayed it with a little cooking spray, and it's a little bit too hot. But I bought the pancake one so that I can make biscuits and pancakes and things like that. So I'm going to close this. I'm going to take, this is in a bowl already, a 1/4 cup of water. And I'm going to mix the potato mix in there and show you how to do this. So I'm really just... all I'm doing is taking the mashed potatoes, pouring it in the bowl that has a 1/4 cup of water, and I'm just going to mix it with a fork. I find using the fork helps me mix it up a little bit better than using a spoon. So the only goal is to get this all incorporated. That's it. And then you put it inside this little dash. The dash you can get, I believe, at Bed Bath & Beyond. It's like under $20. I've seen them in several stores. Target, I think, used to have them. I don't know if they do anymore, but I know you can buy them online, and they're so inexpensive, and they come in pancake makers, waffle makers, so you pick what you like. I picked the pancake one. I've had it for over a year now, and I love it. I use it actually quite often. So anyway, here you go, all mixed up, and then what I do is I take a rubber spatula like this, a little one, and that's how I put it inside the dash. So let me show you how we do it. So I'm probably going to be out of your view most of the time, but you'll still be able to hear me talk. All right, so opening the dash, taking this mixture and literally just putting it in. And I like to heat this thing up really good. As you saw, that cooking spray, it was a little bit caramelized, but that's fine. So there you go. There's your potato mixture, and then, I don't know if you can see it good, but I like to spread it out to the edges. And then you close it, and you wait for it to cook. So I'll be back. I'm going to show you, though, I do flip it over. The reason I flip it over while it's cooking halfway through is because it kind of flattens out a little bit, and I like it to be compressed really well and browned on each side. So we'll be back when we're ready to flip it. We are ready to flip. So I'm going to open her up. Oh yeah. Now you see that brown on top. That is forming a crust. And taking a fork and trying to flip this over is very easy when you don't have your iPhone in your hand. Hold on, guys. I'm actually going to try to do this with my hand. Let's see if I can do it. Yep, I can. Look at that. How nice does that look? And then I just close it for another, I don't know, 30 seconds, 45 seconds, and then we'll have lunch. So I'm going to show you what it looks like when it comes out and how I present it on my plate. Ready to take it out. There you go. Ooh, it's hot, guys. So on both sides, we've got that caramelization action. And now, what I like to do sometimes is use sugar-free ketchup on the side, but today, since I've already opened this up because I made myself cauliflower pizza the other night, 2 tablespoons of this is considered a condiment, so I'm only going to use 1 tablespoon. I find it's more than enough just to dip that into. This is a tablespoon. Let's see if it's level. Yep, not bad. And I just put it on top. And that's what I eat. Meal number 2. Yes. So excited. So in case you're wondering, I find this, believe it or not, at Walmart. Here it is. Rayo's homemade Margherita pizza sauce. I love this on my cauliflower crust. and a 1/4 cup of it is a green. See how I write it on there? So I know. But 2 tablespoons of this, like I said, is a condiment. So using 1 tablespoon, I still have 2.5 condiments left for the day. So I wanted to share that with you. And now, oh yeah, it's time to eat this baby. So I'm going to take a bite and let you know how it came out. Because I know already how it came out. They're so good. Look at that thing. Yum. That is so good. I recommend you guys trying pizza sauce on your mashed potato pancakes. So guys, this would be a great holiday thing if you are one that loves potato pancakes. I know that a lot of religions and cultures do love these things, and I think that it's a wonderful way to join your family and have your potato pancake. I know that there's some people that put applesauce on here, which on Optavia we cannot do, but there's so many ways to do it. Oh my God, it's so good. Let me know how you make your potato pancakes and if you try it. All right? Sorry, I'm talking with my mouth full. I will see you in my next video. Have a great day, guys. Bye.